So if the multiplication is coming less than 1, then the assumption is correct. But if the multiplication is more than 1, then the assumption is wrong. Here we can see in this particular example, bxy into byx is coming 16 by 9. Definitely it is more than 1. So that means the assumption is wrong. What assumption is wrong? That regression line of y on x is this. This assumption is wrong. So definitely regression line of y on x will be not this. Then the other one will be the y on x. That is this one. So regression coefficient line of y on x is actually this one, and this is actually x on y. So our answer is regression line of y on x. Whatever we have assumed, it is not. So the other one is the regression line of y on x, and definitely the regression line of x on y will be 4x plus 3y plus 7 equals to 0. And also write the regression coefficients here, because we need the actual regression coefficient to find out the correlation coefficient. So what is the actual regression? This one was the assumed, which is incorrect one. Now this is the correct one. Again we need to find out the regression coefficient again by the same method. If it is y on x, then keep y on one side and the other everything will be on the other side, and divide the coefficient of y in both the sides. So definitely from here 4 will come to the denominator of x, and 3x will go to that side, so it will become minus 3x. After dividing by 4, it will be minus 3 by 4. Similarly, here also we are getting bxy is equals to minus 3 by 4. Now these are the actual regression coefficients. Now to find out the correlation coefficient, we know this formula, r is equals to root over of bxy into byx. We have told you that both the regression coefficients will be either positive or both will be negative. Here we can see that both are negative. So therefore it is correct. So root over of this is coming 9 by 16. Root over of 9 by 16 will be plus minus of 3 by 4. But we will not consider the positive one. Why? Because both the regression coefficients are negative. So definitely we will consider r as negative. So therefore this is the actual coefficient of correlation. Now we will show you another sum in here next. So here we have the next question. See the question: find the equations of two lines of regression for the following observations. Now here the observations are given. Okay, and also the second part of this question is find the value of y if the value of x is given 2.5. Okay. Now see carefully here. Here observations are given. How many observations are given? 5. And we need to find out two things. One is regression of lines, one thing, and the other thing is we need to estimate the value of y when x is given. Okay. Now let us find out the. We need actually x bar, y bar, bxy, byx. We need this. So first find out these things. So see. Here we have the table. So this is observation x square, y square, xy. So if these all are the data, x means the first component, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the first components. These all are the observations of x. And see the second component. Second components are the observations of y. So see in the y, all the second components are written. Okay. Now x square. So definitely the corresponding values will be squared. So 3 square, 9, 16. Similarly, all these are given.